Who knew flour and hot water could turn into a snack this crispy and delicious? Hello family, welcome back to the channel. I am here again with a budget-friendly recipe. Now let's get started. Pour in a cup of water into your pan. Immediately it starts to boil, add about a teaspoon of salt. Stir that very nicely till it's well dissolved. Now pour in your flour. This is about 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now continue to stir this on a very low heat till the flour mixes properly with the water. When you take a little and it can form a tiny little dough, then you know you are good to go. Please don't forget that it should cook on a low heat. Now it's time to take it off the heat. The next thing to do is to transfer everything into a bowl. When your show is cool enough for you to handle, go ahead to use clean hands to bring everything together. You do not need to necessarily knead it. Just bring everything to form a very nice dough like this. Cover and let it rest for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you would see that the dough feels softer. Sprinkle a little bit of flour to your work surface and bring your dough and get to work. Roll out your dough as thinly as you can. Remember, the thinner, the crispier. You can use your cookie cutter if you like to shape your dough. You can use a bottle cap, whatever works for you, okay? Just make sure after cutting, it looks very nice. If you've watched to this point, I know you love this video. Just go ahead and click that subscribe button. Feel free to drop a comment. Now heat up your oil over medium heat and fry the pieces in batches. Make sure to turn them occasionally until they are golden brown and crispy. Make sure not to overcrowd your pan. It needs enough space to properly cook. You will know they are ready when they turn golden brown. Well, last minute, I thought of something and decided to give another shape to this beautiful snack. For the rest of the dough, I just gave it a long, beautiful shape and I placed it in the oil and it came out so nice, guys. It literally came out like almost like Nigerian chin chin. Guys, being creative in the kitchen is absolutely amazing. I was absolutely impressed by the outcome of this snack. You guys need to try this recipe, I'm telling you. Not only is it affordable, it's so easy to make. And trust me, it's going to be worth every bit of your time. When they're ready, just bring them out and enjoy. Believe me, you enjoy this with your family. As you can see, guys, there's actually a snack that is so simple, crunchy, budget friendly, and perfect for tea time. Or basically anytime you want something to munch on. Do try it out and let me know the shape you prefer. The round bites or the Nigerian chin chin style. Is this a recipe you're willing to try? Let me know down in the comments. If you watched up to this point, you are amazing. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.